Looking for a Tefal pressure cooker? Our kitchen appliance experts bought and tested the top 7 best Tefal pressure cooker available in 2021 and put them through a rigorous side-by-side comparison to find the very best. Each model was subjected to a punishing quality of tests for whipping, mixing, and kneading. Our recommendations are based on our extensive hands-on testing and can help you find the perfect pressure cooker for your needs and budget. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 7 on our list, we have the Presto 012646 quart aluminum pressure cooker. This Presto pressure cooker is another pretty simple option, with the material being the only significant variation between it and the previous model. The pressure cooker in this example is constructed of aluminum. Aluminum heats up more quickly than steel, therefore the stove heats up faster. However, aluminum is often popular and long-lasting, which might explain why this pressure cooker appears to be less commonly advertised than the previous one. Aluminum, on the other hand, will have the clear benefit of being cost-effective. In reality, this specific version is near half of the cost of the one we discussed previously, though they're exactly the exact same size. Both get great reviews too, so that they both make great decisions. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 6 on our list, we have the Presto 013708 quart stainless steel pressure cooker. The Presto 013708 quart is an excellent choice for nutritious meals. This unit makes delicious dishes in a short amount of time and is also very user-friendly. In minutes, any dish may be cooked to perfection. It works well in places like portable kitchens and office kitchenettes. The stainless steel pan of this finest Presto pressure cooker is large enough to cook a variety of dishes with appropriate space. It's made of stainless steel and is easy to clean with non-abrasive cleaners. Its tri-clad base distributes heat evenly and quickly, ensuring that dishes are cooked to perfection. Security is something that Presto takes quite seriously, and the exceptional pressure regulator steam discharge valve provides a brilliant safe means to depressurize the stove. The index prevents the cover from opening upward till the pressure was gradually decreased. At number 5 on our list, we have the Presto 0178123 quart pressure canner and cooker. The Presto 0178423 quart pressure canner and cooker is a fantastic product that is reasonably priced. This version offers one of the most extensive capacities in the market, with the ability to carry up to 23 quarters of components. Each of the parts is pretty well made. The Presto, which weighs only 12 pounds and measures roughly 15.5 x 15 x 14.75 inches, is small enough to work on ceramic and glass stoves as well as electrical coil and gas burners. Constructed of warp-resistant, heavy-gauge aluminum for quick, even heating. Works on routine and smooth top ranges. Deluxe pressure dial gauge registers the entire assortment of processing pressures. At number 4 on our list, we have the Presto 017516 quart aluminum canner pressure cooker. Presto's 16 quart aluminum pressure cooker was designed for secure at-home canning. It uses the sole safe canning method recommended by the USDA, which means it's possible to create and preserve vegetables, fruits, meats, poultry, and fish. Besides pressure cooking, in addition, it doubles as a boiling water canner for jellies, pickles, salsa, and much more in half-pint and pint jars. If you reside in a high-altitude place, the deluxe pressure dial gauge accurately measures psi. If you are new to pressure cooking or canning, Presto comes with an instruction manual and recipe book together with the cooker. There are a number of reports of the grips. At number 3 on our list, we have the Presto 013626 quart stainless steel pressure cooker. The Presto 1362 pressure cooker comes in 4 and 6 quart sizes. It is created from stainless steel, and it's their very best-selling thing on Amazon. Broadly, this is most likely the very best entry-level pressure cooker offered now. The 18/10 stainless steel is thick enough to feel sturdy and cook thoroughly. The strain valves are easy to wash, and the kettle itself is safe to be used in the dishwasher and may even be used on induction stoves. The purchase price point is nearly as low as any pressure cooker offered now, so that it's generally able to fit into everyone's budget. I really do have a ton more to say about it, however. Click through to find out my complete Presto 01362 pressure cooker inspection. At number 2 on our list, we have the Presto 021416 quart electric pressure cooker. Today our among the best selection is Presto 02141 electrical pressure cooker. It is possible to serve a maximum variety of dishes using a 6-quart capability of Presto 02141. Additionally, it comes with a blend of pressure stoves and ovens that are slow. Presto with assorted pressure cooker layouts has ever engaged in cuisine contests. Here you'll gather tasty cooked meals together with all nutrients and taste preserved. Each housemaker wishes to supply healthful, yummy, and best to her loved ones. So here each cook could select Presto electric pressure cookers to cook the very best. The specialization of Presto pressure cookers is present within their fast cooking. And finally at number 2 on our list, we have the Presto 0178123 quart pressure canner and cooker. For rapid, uniform heating, it's made of warp-resistant, heavy-gauge aluminum. It's good for both routine and smooth top ranges. The deluxe pressure dial gauge records the full range of processing pressures. At higher elevations, this precise measurement becomes even more critical. When the cover is correctly closed, the air vent cover lock enables pressure to build up and keeps the cover from opening until the pressure is safely decreased. Liquid capacity of 23 quarts, 21.8 liters. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.